On BTR1 and BTR1 Advanced X, we can pair 3 intercoms, one for each of these 3 buttons. There are 2 types of intercom pairing: native pairing and universal intercom pairing. Native pairing is possible with the brands Midland, Cardo, Sina, and Interphone. For all other brands, however, universal intercom will be used. Now let's see the pairing between 2 Midland devices. Let's turn on the first device, turn on the second device, and put both into intercom pairing mode. I press one of the 3 large buttons, and the red and blue flashing light confirms the pairing status. The steady blue light confirms that the pairing has been successful, Midland and Cardo pairing. On any one of these 3 buttons, I start the intercom pairing. I also start the intercom pairing on the Cardo. Let's wait a moment. The 2 devices have stopped flashing because they have paired with each other. Midland and Sina pairing. Again, on any one of these 3 buttons, I can pair a Sina intercom. I start the intercom pairing on the Midland. I start the intercom pairing on the Sina. It's very important to remember that on some Sina models, once intercom pairing has started, you need to click once to finish the pairing. The 2 devices have stopped flashing because they have paired with each other. Midland interphone pairing. On the Midland, I always use one of these 3 buttons for my intercom pairing. I'll remind you that if I've already paired an intercom to a button, if I do another intercom pairing on that same button, I'll overwrite the old pairing with the new one. So, intercom pairing on the Midland and intercom pairing on the interphone. In this case as well, let's wait a few seconds for the 2 devices to stop flashing. The 2 devices have paired. If I need to pair an intercom from other brands, absolutely nothing changes on the Midland. I will always use one of these 3 buttons to do the pairing. So let's start the intercom pairing on the Midland. On intercom devices from other brands, we'll need to use phone pairing instead of intercom pairing. Ente. This is because the pairing method is different. So the Midland is simulating being a phone, while the interphone of the other brand is searching for a phone. This workaround, called universal intercom, will allow the 2 interphony to pair with each other. Pairing. The 2 interphones have paired. To open intercom communication from the Midland, you'll always use the same procedure. To open the intercom from the other brand's interphone, however, you'll use the voice call command.